Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited to share with you today how you can make up to $300 in PayPal Cash by typing names or words online, whether it's your mobile phone or your computer, and this is a free and worldwide opportunity. And in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed overview of exactly how you can do this. As I say, this is available worldwide, so anybody in the world can participate in this opportunity or method. You do not need any skills, traffic, website, or a channel to do this. As I say, all you need is your mobile device, whether it's a computer or mobile phone with internet access, and you're good to go. And as well as a bonus at the end, where I'm going to include an awesome strategy and a tool that you can use to 10 times multiply your ability to earn with this method by 10 times or more. So definitely stick around until the end of the video. And the website that I'm going to share with you guys today is called squadhelp.com. Now, obviously in the world, there are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of different businesses that are constantly wanting to update their brand name, their logos, their slogans, taglines, or whatever it may be. And this can range from e-commerce businesses to interior design to DJs to whatever it may be. As I say, hundreds of thousands of different businesses are out there constantly wanting to update and upgrade their brand online and their presence online. Now, in this world, obviously being hundreds of thousands of different businesses, it is very difficult to create a brand name in today's world. Now, this is where SquadHelp comes into play, where hundreds of thousands of businesses that are pretty wealthy will pay SquadHelp for people to basically come up with brand ideas, brand names, taglines and slogans, and basically outsource the creation of their brand name. And what squadhelp.com does is it basically collects hundreds and thousands of different ideas, good quality ideas, puts them all together onto one website, and will select or suggest the best to this company that they've paid SquadHelp for. And the page that I'm on at the moment is a whole bunch of winners that have basically been earning on this website already. As I say, just by typing in suggested brand names. And remember, I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you a bonus at the end, or a tool, a very handy tool that you can use to increase your chances of earning on this website by 10 times or more. And you can see the winners on this website are earning guaranteed $200, $100, $150, $300, $100 again, $250. So this website pays very, very well. And I mean, you can see it's paying a lot of people. So basically what is happening here is hundreds of businesses, e-commerce, in different industries, wood manufacturing companies, whatever it may be, DJs, graphic design companies, web design companies, come to this website and basically pay people to come up with brand name ideas, slogans, taglines, graphic design ideas, and all of that. And this is where you get paid. And I'm going to show you, as I say, how you can get way ahead of all these other people and increase your chances of earning on this website by 10 times or more. So as I say, SquadHelp basically leverages people, aka you and me, and will pay us to come up with people's or different businesses brand ideas, slogans, logo designs, taglines, whatever it may be. And the cool thing about this is you literally just earn by submitting cool or awesome sounding brand names, and you will get paid. As you see here, $100, $300, $100 again, $200, $150, which is a lot of money for literally just typing in a 10 character or 10 to 20 character name of a business. And the cool part about this is it's not just about typing names. If you are perhaps good at graphic design or logo design, you can participate in that as well and earn even more than $300 per day on this website. So you can also use a website like Fiverr.com to outsource graphic design ideas. Here is basically an international marketplace where you can find gigs that people post, whether they are graphic designers, voiceover, translation, illustration, logo design, you can see here. And you can go find a logo designer on Fiverr.com, outsource that, submit their work or your work that you've basically outsourced with Fiverr, and earn with the graphic design on squadhelp.com as well. So that's the nice thing about this website. There are quite a couple of ways that you can earn really good money. So how this works is a company, whether it's you or me, will start a contest, and basically hundreds of different people from around the world will suggest a brand name within this business's niche. So let's say, for example, this business is within graphic design and they start a contest. It will be mentioned that people need to come up with names obviously related to graphic design. So hundreds of people around the world will submit their business names and ideas, and the winner will obviously get paid they're up to $300 for this. But as I say, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you that trick or bonus to increase your chances of winning by so much more. So the first step in getting started on this website is to obviously create your account with your first name, last name, display name, email address, and your password. And what you want to do is you want to join as a creative, create your account, and come back, and you are then good to go. And what you can do then to get started, once you've created your account, you want to hover up to the contest bar, hover over to active contests, and you will see on this page a whole bunch of active contests at the moment that are paying people for business name, logo design ideas. You can even filter by naming and taglines, naming only, tagline only, and logo and design only. So you can filter through what your ideal, or the ideal way you want to earn money with this website, whether it's logo design, names, typing in names. I'm just going to keep it on all, and you can see the second one here listed, for example, brand name for a legal service business, and you can see that they are paying $300 for the name that will win, and there are 260 entries so far, and there are 6 days left. Now what you can do is to really get a whole bunch of good idea names is you can go to a website called obolo.com/tools/business name generator, and you'll see it pop up with a little search term or keyword or a query, as you would call it. So let's go, for example, legal, and you will see it pop up with a whole bunch of business idea names that you could perhaps submit. There's up to 2 pages, so you can see Motor Legal, Crisp Legal, Legal Nation, Craft Legal, Argent Legal, Legal Knowledge, Legal Shift, Life Legal, Make Legal, Redwood Legal, Blue Collar Legal, Dash Legal. There's so many different names that you can use. Let's go legal services, and you can see it comes up with even more. If I put in the legal services term, immersion legal services, synergy legal services, talent legal services, legal services set, inland legal services. So that gives you so many different business name ideas that you can use and submit on squadhelp.com, really increasing your chances of winning this advertisement or post. And if I go over to the leaderboard page, you can see that the top people on this website, or the top person, has nearly earned $40,000 just on this website on squadhelp.com, typing in names or creating logo design, and you can see $39,000, $4,000, $57,000, $55,559, $22,000, $10,000. So you can see people are really earning a lot of money on this website. So it's really does pay well, and Squad Help is one of the best and most innovative businesses created out there at the moment. And what you can do is you can literally spend 20 minutes a day on this website, typing in a couple of names using your free tools such as obolo.com. You can even go onto Google and you just go legal business name ideas and go sift through Google and see some ideas that you can find for a law firm idea name and submit that I'm just using as an example. As I said, it could be within any business name or niche, as you would call it, and just do some research, spend 20 minutes a day on this website, and you will start winning quite a couple of posts and earning some good money on this website. And the final tip that I have for you guys regarding this website to really increase your chances of earning is make sure that you get involved and submit as many names as possible per day. Obviously increasing your chances of winning. You never know, some days you might come back to see that you've won 3 contests. That's like $900 in a day. You never know what could happen. Obviously, the more you want to increase your chances to win, the more money you will earn. But guys, let me know what you think of this website. It's pretty cool. I only found it recently and I'm definitely going to give it a try myself. But comment down below, let me know how it goes in the next video or any future videos that I upload. Just pop a comment down below and I'll reply and give it a heart. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. I will really appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online like this, boost your social media business or network, whether it's your YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, Facebook friends, and growing any of your social media platforms, and also how to succeed in your online business, funnels, website design, and all of that. But guys, until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.